my God, that's so pretty. Hi, I'm Emily, and today I'm going to teach you how to elevate your base by using the Eye of Horus Sacred Earth palette and the Love and Light Illuminating palette. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a really nice bronzy look on the skin. I like to use a setting spray on my skin to create that really beautiful dewy glow. So just mist it onto the skin, let it dry. It gives a nice dewy glow. I'll put too much on. Oh, she threw her water bottle at me and broke the mirror.
7 years for you, young lady.
Okay, so step one of achieving this glow is to use the bronzer here. I'm going to be using the color Bronze Ochre. I'm just going to pop a little bit on the brush, tap the excess off. My top tip for applying bronzer is to imagine that you're putting it on in the shape of a 3. So just pop it on the forehead, just under the cheekbone, along the jawline, and then just blend it into the neck. We don't get a lot of sunlight on our necks, so your necks tends to be a lot whiter than the rest of your face, so don't forget to bronze your necks and even your little ears. You don't want to leave a white line around the hairline because you can see that you're wearing bronzer. Push it into the hairline like this. If you want to really pull up the eye and create that sort of snatched Bella Hadid vibes, then just pop a little bit of bronzer on the tip of the brush, put it at the end of the eye and pull it up towards the temples. So the next step, I'm going to be using this gorgeous highlight called Ethereal Rose. So just stipple the brush on the apples of the cheeks and bring it back towards the hairline like this. You want to lift the blush or the highlight rather than drag it down because you want to give that lift to the skin, to the cheekbones. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Just make sure that you are blending, because if you don't blend correctly, you're gonna get a stripe. So just make sure that when you do pop it on, that you're really blending very softly. When you are applying a bit of color to the apples of the cheeks, remember to smile. Smiling is good for you, right? So for the last step, I'm going to be using the Aura Glow, and I'm going to be adding this on the tops of my cheekbones. If you want the highlight to really pop, just spritz a little bit of a setting spray onto your brush. Pop the tip of the brush into the product. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to just pop it onto the tops of the cheekbones. This is going to give you that extra dimension, that extra glow. So lastly, just to completely finish the makeup, I'm just going to add my finger to the product. I'm gonna use Luxor Light. I'm gonna pop it in the corner of my eyes, like this. Just to make those eyes pop. And then to enhance the Cupid's bow, I might actually use a brush for this. Just for that extra bit of highlight, that extra glow, I'm going to add a little bit of the Luxor Light above the brow. I'm also going to use my finger and pop a tiny bit under the brow bone. Again, this just gives it a bit of dimension. But that's all you need.